Welcome back to California Live. Jessie Sheehan is not only an author and baker, she also happens to be a viral sensation. Her quick and easy recipes have been viewed millions of times on TikTok. She just released a new cookbook called Snackable Bakes that features 100 delicious recipes, and she's here now to show us how to make a classic dessert with a twist. Jessie, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm so excited for this because I think all of our dreams as kids is to eat Rice Krispie treats all day.
I 100%. But can I just say, it's not only our dream as being as a kid, it's my adult dream.
And that's why you're here today, and
100%.
we love it. So well, let's start with the book. Congratulations. Yes. It's called Snackable Bakes.
Yes.
What are Snackable Bakes?
So, and forgive me, I'm going to keep stirring my mixture while we chit-chat.
Do your magic.
A snackable bake is essentially an easy-peasy recipe. Does not have to be baked. Could also just be something that you chill up in the refrigerator. It has a very short ingredient list. Everything in the ingredient list is in your pantry already, and the instructions are short as well. I don't love those recipes where, like, you open the cookbook and the recipe goes on and on and on. I get, like, anxious. So I like to write recipes that are just one page. Every single recipe in the book has a photograph to go along with it, which I also think is important because I feel like people eat with their eyes.
Oh, yeah, we do.
You know what I mean? So if you can see it, if you can see these Rice Krispie treats, you'll want to make them. If it just said Rice Krispie treats, maybe you'd be like, no.
Yeah. Oh, and please tell everyone about the time that you have to put into this. That's the best part.
100%. Thank you for reminding me. Each recipe in the book can be assembled in 20 minutes or less. Some of the items take a little bit longer to bake or a little bit longer to set up in the refrigerator, but literally you are putting out so little actual effort that then you're like putting your feet up, you're doing something else, you're doing a little dance, and then you're eating.
Yeah. Watch a little Netflix.
Exactly. I was going to say binge watch TV. Yeah. Which is like my favorite.
So, all right, we're going to get to your world-famous Rice Krispie treats here, but you brought some other treats here.
I did.
To show us. I mean, again, like, who doesn't like a Reese's peanut butter cup?
Hello. So what we have here is literally my enormous Reese's peanut butter cup. I won't lie, my favorite candy is Reese's. I love peanut butter, I love chocolate. And if you have sort of a tart pan, which is like this, a pan that gives that kind of fluted edge, it kind of looks like a Rice Krispie treat. Yeah. I mean, sorry, it looks like a peanut butter cup. So it's milk chocolate on the bottom, a peanut butter filling in the center, and then the little bit more milk chocolate on top.
Tastes just like it.
Right?
So good. And then you have another one here.
Yes, so that is my blueberry galette. A galette is like a free-form tart, kind of like a pie, except without the fussy crust. And this galette is super special because the crust is made with melted butter. So you do not have to worry about rolling out your dough, about your dough getting too warm in your hands, the butter melting. The butter's already melted.
Oh, okay. Here I go. This tastes so homemade. Oh, gosh, this is so sweet. This is like a loveliness in my mouth. Oh my goodness.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
So now we got to get to the big daddy here.
I think we got to make these. I think we got to make these. So this is what makes my Rice Krispie treats so special, okay? It's not just Rice Krispies and marshmallows. In my recipe, I have browned the butter, which sounds fussy, I know. And people are like, I thought you said it was an easy-peasy book. And then I'm asking you to brown butter. Don't worry. All you're doing is once you melt the butter, which everyone has to do for a Rice Krispie treat, you just let it go about a minute longer until it gets kind of nutty smelling and you see some little brown bits.
Okay, don't burn it.
No burning allowed.
No burning allowed.
Then you add my favorite secret ingredient, which is sweetened condensed milk. That adds a dreamy, creamy, milky flavor to the Rice Krispie treats and keeps them really soft.
So, Jessie, I'm learning something today because I didn't know you could just eat it out of the can, condensed milk, and just pour it in.
100%.
I always thought you had to cook it.
100%. You can eat it right out of the can. There's no cooking at all. And right now I'm just adding it to my Rice Krispies. And you eat it right out of the can. I think it's a wonder ingredient. I also put sweetened condensed milk in fudge, and it means that you can make a really easy-peasy fudge without having to use a candy thermometer and do something fancy with sugar. So it's really, it's just, to me, it's a wonder ingredient. I'm just going to put that I also make something called no churn ice cream. Ooh. All of these recipes are in the book. I make something called and I like to add some extra marshmallows just because I'm marshmallow forward.
Oh, okay, so a little extra. The other ones are already melted in the
100%.
Okay.
And now I'm just going to mix this up. But there's something in the book called no churn ice cream, which is quite literally ice cream that you make with sweetened condensed milk and whipped cream.
Oh, wow.
And you flavor it, wow. And you put it into a pan, into your you put it into a pan.
So Jessie, we got about 30 seconds here. So I'm going to taste one of these.
I hope you.
So you stir it up, and then what do? You put it in the refrigerator?
I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to place it into this pan. We're going to let it sit on the counter. I mean, is that not the best Rice Krispie treat you've ever had?
This is the best one I've ever had in my entire life, and we have to end on that note, guys. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, Jessie.
You're so welcome. Yay!
I'm going to keep eating. I'm going to eat on the way out.